Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use the mobile app and website DUOLINGO for teachers. If you already have an account, go to the section More, choose the icon Schools, choose your role, click on Continue, and simply follow the instructions. Choose Create a Class, write the name of the class, fill in the information with the language that your students are learning, just like their mother tongue. Choose the form to invite your students through a link. It's so much easier. Besides that link, you can also share a class code so that your students can join to your class. You can share these instructions in PDF to get rid of any doubt that your students have, and you have created your class. After that, you can start giving assignments and check their progress. In order to do that, choose Assignments and choose the option Create Assignments. There are two types of assignments: the assignments where students have to get experience score, or you can choose the assignment where your students have to level up a skill. In the first one, your students will have to get a specific score in the exercises from the section Learn. Select the amount of score that your students have to get and set the start and deadline. Choose Schedule Assignment. That'll do it. So far, you have completed part of the class. Check the progress in the progress bar right at the top. Every assignment has a monitoring panel where you can see if a task has been completed, sent late, or not done. In the settings icon, you can send a reminder or even delete a task. The next type of assignments are level up skills. Just like in the previous task, you have to choose the start and the deadline and the type of assignment that you want to give. You schedule the assignment just like the previous one. And this task also has the monitoring panel. In the next section, the English curriculum can be also chosen for each one of the classes, depending on their level. Here you will be able to see the contents, take a sample test of some of the exercises, and then schedule a task. In the same way, you will be able to choose the activities for the rest of the levels: beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Here is a sample of how the exercises look like. If you don't know a word, don't forget that you can click on the word and see its translation. Some additional information that can be useful for your students is that in each exercise they will find the section Notes. These notes are grammar notes with examples in both languages, along with their pronunciation. Another excellent option are tests. Your students can have access to a test clicking on the icon of the key. If they passed this test, they will get 1 crown out of the 5 necessary to complete a unit. Nevertheless, they will need lingots to be able to access to these tests. To pass a test, your students will have to do well in the exercises without making many mistakes. Personally, I recommend to do the lessons progressively before giving a test, or you can do it when the contents are already known or easy. The test usually gives 3 chances to make a mistake. Don't forget that you can work using the mobile application. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have liked. Enjoy learning.